how about some lip glosses? Interested in some affordable Indian brands lip glosses? If yes, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from the thumbnail, from the pic, everything, you must have got a little bit of idea that today I'm going to review as well as show you the swatches of a new launch product from Mars Cosmetics. I'm talking about Mars Cosmetics lip gloss. Going to talk about this product, but in few seconds I can say. Before moving with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Right now, today I'm going to talk about this Mars Cosmetics lip glosses. I was just checking few days before, I was just checking Mars Cosmetics website. On that particular website they had new arrivals section. In that, when I clicked, I could see this kind of lip gloss. Okay, in this they have two variants. This is the variant A. In there is another variant, variant B. Variant B, actually I felt on nude, that is, they are having little bit nude shades, but nude shades picking up online was little bit a tricky thing for me. So what I did, I went on a safer side. I picked up this bold shades, you can say set of bold shades. So I went for shade number A. Okay, outer packaging, as you can see, it is kind of peachy pink color. Over here you all can see all the shades which you have received. Mars lip gloss, that is what specifies. Over here also Mars, over here also Mars lip gloss on one side. This is the basically the outer this packaging, and when you flip the packaging, on the back side they say Mars lip gloss. Ingredients they have given you, net content they have given you. Each tube or maybe each bottle contains 3.1 gram. So in total you will get 9.3 grams for all three. Each one contains 3.1 gram. Okay, where it is manufactured, given importers and everything. Manufactured is 5/21, that is recently manufactured. As I told you, this is a new launch product, and expiry is 5/25. So total 4 years of shelf life you are going to get. The MRP of, actually MRP is little bit puzzled or maybe tricky. You all can see 129 rupees is given, but in next to it over here they say into 3. So 129 is for 1. So when you calculate 3, then it is 3, I think 27 or something. I guess it goes to 327. But when you purchase the whole set, then this is for 299 rupees on their website. When I purchased this was not available on Amazon and Flipkart. Never. It was not available. Not never. Sorry. It was not available at that time. You all can check now. I'm not sure because I got this product 4-5 days back. So maybe if they have whatever the buying link possible, I'll give you in the description box. You can go ahead and you can buy. But I have ordered directly from Mars Cosmetics own website, and I have pretty good experience with like buying. I got my parcel within 5 to 6 days, and they are going to ship from Delhi. So Delhi to my place, 5 to 6 days is pretty normal. So this is basically the outer packaging. When you talk about the inner packaging, this is the inner packaging. I already have one short video on this lip glosses. It is without makeup swatches. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can check. And if at all possible, I'll attach the without makeup swatches first, and then with makeup swatches later on. I will not combine because that will be a little bit I think difficult. Whatever is possible, I'll do it for you, no problem. And this is one of the shade which I'm having right now. They don't have the names for the shades, they directly have the combo. So this is set number A. This is the inner packaging. And when you talk about the bullet, that is one lipstick, it looks like bullet only. This is the product. Okay, they just say Mars lip gloss. Over here they just say Mars lip gloss, nothing else, no shade number, nothing, only this much they say. And this is very travel friendly, pocket friendly. You want to slip it in your even you can put it in your jeans pocket also. This is very small and very tiny. Right now I'm having, as I told you, one of the shade. What I'll do, since they say lip gloss, they never claim this is not going to transfer. I'll just check, because before some time I checked, it was transferring. You all can see. Again I'll just check whether it is transferring. As far as my knowledge is there, definitely it will transfer, because this is a lip gloss. This is not liquid lipstick, but still in the mirror and all I can see this looks pretty similar like liquid lipstick, but it is not at all that drying. So we'll just check whether it is transferring. Yes, you all can see it is transferring, since this is lip gloss. Now what I'll do, this is one shade you have already seen. I'll apply. I'll just cut right now. I'll just apply the second shade. I'll show you, and then again apply the third shade, because I don't want to waste your time. So I'll just cut right now. This is the second shade. Yes, this is the third shade. Right, now I just would like to add up one thing over here. Though this is a bold set, that is set A is bold, but that in this also you can say one shade is nude. Of course these two shades are darker, but then one you can count it as nude, because this is for me a nude, right? And this both two are bold. You can use this for festivals and all, like for this shade you can use during Durga Puja, Navratri and Diwali, and you can use this. And if you are going out and you want a bold shade with your friends and all, you are going for brunch or maybe lunch or something, then you can use this shade, which I had applied during the intro of the video. So you can apply, you can mix and match. If you want to gift this to someone, definitely this is the best option for gifting. Of course 299 rupees, you will say, Meghna, it is little bit costly, but you can say you are getting 3 lipsticks. Okay, and let's be real, 3 lipsticks, we are not going to use it during the whole lifetime. So 3.1 gram is, I think, more than satisfactory. And this is Indian brand. So, and yeah, I forgot to tell you, if you are a person, this is made in China. So if you are a person who doesn't prefer that, then definitely you can skip on this product. This is made in China. It is mentioned on their box here, made in China. So let me be very clear for that. But then definitely a good option to gift someone, or if someone is gifting you, definitely tell them to gift you this. So I've tried to cover each and every point. Still, if at all you have anything to ask me, do leave your comment in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. And any other video suggestions or anything which you want me to review, or which you want to make a video or whatever, let me know that also. Also, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family also. Ask them also to subscribe. Even you don't go without subscribing, right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.